next we've got we're just going to go through our all-in bundle. Okay, I'm just going to list the things in the all-in bundle first, and then we're going to go through them all. So the first thing is our Glow Ultra light board. It comes with a gridded cutting mat that's the same size as the Glow Ultra light board. It also comes with the Glow Ultra tote. The Glow Ultra light board fits in.
We have it. Let's show them really quick. Let's just show them what these are so they know, and then we'll demonstrate
it comes
this.
with the
so really
Glow
quick,
tote.
Glow Ultra. We're going to do top down. We'll just kind of put everything out. So this is the Glow Ultra. This is the big one. It is twice the size of the premium and 4 times the size.
This is the mini that we already talked about, right?
There you go.
So
there you go.
Yeah,
that's 1/4 the size right there.
Yep. So that's me. So it comes with the Glow Ultra. It comes with the Glow Ultra tote.
Big tote. Again, and the Ultra is its cutting mat and the Ultra tote.
It comes with the swivel rotating mat.
Love this.
Which we'll talk about.
Amazing invention. Can't get a more convenient way of trimming and doing some of your fussy cutting.
It comes with.
Woo! Look at that thing.
Big
so where's the small one? Show me, give me the small one again. So we already demonstrated the small one. If you've been with us earlier today, here's the small. Look at that. Half the size. This big bad boy is double. There you go. So we got the big 36, 48.
It comes with the mini.
It has its own cutting board again.
It comes with the mini tote bag.
Mini tote bag.
I have to reach behind you.
All right.
It comes with the
clamp light.
Clamp light. It comes with Flex light and accessory kit.
Flex light accessory kit, transforming the way your light can be used in any space.